YouView boxes, especially those manufactured between 2020 and 2023, commonly experience issues after a factory reset. Understanding these problems and their solutions can save you hours of frustration. The most common issues include setup wizard freezing during network configuration, incomplete channel scanning, YouView services failing to activate despite internet connectivity, and remote control pairing problems. The first and most important solution is a proper power cycle. Unplug your YouView box for at least 60 seconds, then reconnect and allow the full boot sequence to complete, which takes 5 to 10 minutes. Never interrupt this startup process. For network configuration issues, try using an Ethernet connection initially if Wi-Fi fails. Ensure your router supports WPA2 or WPA3 security protocols, and verify your DNS settings are correct using either 88888 or your ISP-provided DNS servers. Here's an example of proper DNS configuration. You can use Google's public DNS servers, 8.8.8.8 as primary and 8.8.4.4 as secondary, which are reliable and fast for most users. If channel scanning fails, manually access the settings menu and navigate to Signal and Connection, then retune. Always perform a full retune rather than a quick scan, and allow 15 to 20 minutes for complete channel discovery. Remember these key takeaways. Always start with a proper power cycle, use Ethernet for initial setup when possible, and be patient. Allow full time for each process to complete. These simple steps resolve most post-reset issues. When basic troubleshooting fails, YouView boxes offer advanced diagnostic tools. Service Recovery Mode provides access to system-level diagnostics that can identify and resolve deeper issues. To access Service Recovery Mode, hold both the OK and Play buttons simultaneously during startup. This opens a diagnostic menu with system checks for connectivity and signal strength testing. Database reconstruction can resolve EPG and service issues. This involves clearing the electronic program guide cache through a hidden menu sequence. Navigate to Settings, then About, then Version Info. Press the OK button 5 times to access the hidden EPG cache clearing option. This rebuilds the program guide database. For service refresh, disconnect your internet connection for exactly 2 minutes, then reconnect. This forces the YouView box to re-establish its connection to YouView services and download fresh program data. Prevention is better than cure. Regular maintenance can prevent most reset-requiring issues. Perform monthly soft resets and quarterly full reboots to keep your system running smoothly. Create a maintenance schedule. Monthly soft resets help clear temporary files and refresh system processes. Quarterly full reboots ensure all components restart cleanly and prevent memory buildup. Environmental factors significantly impact YouView box performance. Ensure adequate ventilation around your box and maintain a stable power supply to prevent hardware-related issues. Network optimization is crucial for modern YouView boxes. Use wired Ethernet connections where possible for maximum stability, and keep your router firmware updated to ensure compatibility. Know when to seek professional help. If problems persist after multiple reset attempts, or if you notice hardware symptoms like unusual noises or overheating, contact technical support or a qualified technician.